All right, today we're going to add these HaloDisc wheel covers to this 2025 Model Y. Halo BLK sent these HaloDisc 2s to us to demo. Not only does this give it an updated look, but it's going to give you better range. And if you got a Tesla, having extra range is never a problem. So let's go ahead and get these things installed. They're super easy instructions. You get the wheel locks for the right side and the left side, and they're different, and that's important when you're putting them on. Right, to remove these Gemini wheel covers, all we got to do is reach in on one side and pull out one section, skip a section, pull out the second, and it just popped off. Usually you have to go around 3 times, not a problem. So first thing we're going to do is take this protective tape and apply it to the rim all the way around the wheel. It has a kind of a vinyl-like texture to it, just to protect the edge here. This is a locking mechanism, and when we push that in, these ball bearings just recess into the hole. So we're going to push it in, insert it, and then you try to pull it out. It doesn't pull out. It's in there good and tight. So then we're going to just spin this counterclockwise, give it a good lock. It's good and snug. You can feel it on there. It's really well done. So remember, we're on the right side of the car, so we're going to tighten this nut here by going this way, clockwise, and on the other side of the car, we'll reverse it and go counterclockwise to lock it. Right, so on the front of these covers, this locking hub, just turn it just a slight turn counterclockwise, it pops off. Okay, so we'll take the disc. Now that we got the center cap off, take the disc, align it like so. Take this disc, this is the right side, so it's going to spin opposite what you would think. And these are plastic. So you want to make sure you get a good alignment for the threads as you get started, because they'll strip. And then you can feel when it's pretty snug. You don't have to go crazy. And check the alignment all the way around. It's lined up well, good and tight. And one of these screws to lock it on. We'll just spin it all the way on. Again, you got metal and plastic, so you want to be gentle about this. All right, and then we're going to take this and we're going to turn this. It has these posts on the side that goes into these grooves right here. Just line it up and give it a slight clockwise turn here. And it's on. There you go. Super simple to install. And boy, that really dresses up the look of the car. So let's go do the rest. All right, so now I'm on the left side or driver's side of the car. So these things are a little bit different. Same thing as the last one. They say start these about halfway through the thread travel, and then we're going to go ahead and push this in, and that's in. Give it a pull, and you can tell that it's on. Now we'll go ahead and spin this all the way on. And then we'll take this wrench and we're gonna turn this counterclockwise to tighten on the left side of the car, where on the right side of the car it was clockwise. Now pop this cover off. Line this up. It says to unlock, turn counterclockwise, to lock, turn clockwise on this side of the car. So line that up, you want to get a good start. And do it very easily, because again, this is plastic and you don't want to strip the threads. But you can tell if it's going on right or not. And then we just continue all the way. And I'm using just a couple fingers worth of pressure till it seats. And just give it a good tug, but nothing, don't be brutal about it. Once that's on, final locking screw here with an Allen wrench. And again, it's going into plastic, so you don't want to be too brutal about it. Just tight, but not too tight. And just put the cap on it. Quarter turn, or eighth turn, and it's on. So there you go. Thanks a lot to Halo BLK for sending us these HaloDisc 2s. We're looking forward to seeing if we really get that extra range, but nonetheless, it really dresses up the car nicely. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.